Hi, today we are going to show you VAT billing software for UAE businesses. If you are doing any kind of business in UAE, if you are having a trading business, manufacturing, you are retailer, wholesaler, this software is suitable for you. This is a totally VAT compliant management system according to the UAE government law. And in this software, you can manage your multiple logins, multiple users, limited permissions, inventory accounts, and your balance sheet and your P&L reports. So this is our software login form. We are just going to log in the form. Okay. This is our software main menu. Here you can see your daily report, dashboard, cash and bank, opening balance, receipts, payments, current balance, your receivable customers, your payable customers. This is basically a short summary. If you want to add a customer, so you can go to the add customer. You can add simply a customer. For example, I'm going to add a company, uh, ABC Trading LLC. Contact person Mr. Danish. Address, for example, Dera City Center. You if you can if you want to set the region like United Arab Emirates, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, where this customer is located. This customer is located in Dubai. You can set the telephone number here. For example, this is the number, website, email, everything you can fix here. If you want to set the credit limit, also you can set the credit limit. I'm going to save this. This customer is added on into my list. If you want to add any more customers, simply you have to click the add button and you can add the customers here. After that, if you want to create any kind of quotations, all right, before quotation I'm going to add a product. Okay, add product and services. So whatever the services or the products you are providing to the customers, you have to add in this chart of inventory. So I'm going to add, for example, I'm going to simply add this number 3 categories. For example, I'm dealing in spare parts, so I have make one category spare parts, and I'm going to add like car engine parts, another category. And if I add here, for example, radiator, okay, 4x4. For example, this is the car description and this is the item name. If you want to add another further description, you can add here. You can fix the rack number, purchasing price. For example, 1200 AED is the purchasing price and 1800 AED is the selling price. Also, you can set the reorder quantity. For example, your stock is going to be finished, so software will alert you that you need to reorder the quantity. If you want to fix sell tax amount like 5% VAT, you can fix here. If you don't want to fix, you can make it 0. Simply I'm going to save this. You can see now this item is on my list. You can add multiple categories, multiple items here. Okay, no limitations. Now I want to make a quotation. Okay, before quotation, let's make a purchase order. Simply I'm going to this purchase section, purchase order, and I'm going to make the purchase order. For example, my vendor is, for example, Poly Emirates is my vendor. Date to be delivered, which date I got, I will receive this stock. For example, I will receive on 29/2/2024. Reference number, if you want to add any reference number, and simply I'm going to add here radiator. How much quantity I'm ordering like 20, so it will be 1200 into 20 will be 24,000 AED. 5% VAT, 1200 is VAT, total amount is this, right? So I'm going to simply print this purchase order. This is a purchase order, beautiful purchase order. You can see total, your vendor details here, address, phone, TRN number, email, your PO number, your PO date, delivery date, reference number, everything is here, right? And this is your, like, it will be like this, your letterhead, your account number, your contact details, everything will be like this. Okay, after that I'm going to make another invoice, like simply I'm going to convert this purchase invoice to purchase sales tax. Okay, now this is my sales tax invoice. Now how much quantity I am receiving? For example, I am receiving right now 10 radiators, so I'm just changing this invoice 10. Okay, and I'm going to give him invoice reference number, like this is my invoice reference number, and this is total amount 12,600. Now for example, I am paying to my vendor like any amount. If you are paying like 3,000 in advance, remaining balance will be in his account. So I will show you the purchase invoice. This is my purchase invoice. Everything will be like this. Okay, now I will show you how it will show in the report. I'm going to go in view accounts ledger. If I want to check my vendor details, like just let me check the vendor name. Poly Emirates. So I'm going to check the ledger of Poly Emirates. See, before I make some invoices, and after that it is showing me that after this invoice the total amount is 11,380, which I have to pay him, which is the balance on me. Yeah, so this is our accounts ledger. If you want to see cash ledger, credit ledger, everything you can see here. Alright, now I'm going to check the reports. I'm going to purchase reports. Here you can see the purchasing total 16,380 is the purchasing. Okay, if I want to see period wise purchasing, vendor wise purchasing, cash purchasing, credit purchasing, sell tax purchasing, non tax purchasing, I can make the different filters here. After that, if I want to make the quotation, so I'm going to make the quotation for my client, and I'm going to add my client, which is I just add ABC Trading LLC, reference number, quotation reference number. I'm going to give him quotation for 2 pieces. 1800 was the selling amount, 5% VAT, and I'm going to print this. So this is my quotation, which is very beautiful. You can see this. This will be the party name, TRN number, email, everything you can see. This is our quotation. If you want to add any remarks, so you can add any kind of remarks here. It will be print like this. Okay, now I'm going to convert this quotation to the invoice, yani sell tax invoice. So I'm going to add sell tax invoice directly, and if I want to add PO number reference, I can add PO number reference. I'm going to print this. So my tax invoice will be like this: invoice number, invoice date, purchase order number, reference number, bill to party name, address, everything, email, TRN number. This is our tax invoice. If I want to check further reporting, like our sales report, total how much sale I did in a month. If I want to check sale report, if I want to check sell tax ledger, how much I have to pay sell tax, so it will show me that my total sell tax payable. Okay, if I want to add any delivery note, sell tax return, everything is there. Payment receipt, bank receipt. If you are receiving any payment, so you have also option to receive the payment. For example, this is the bank number, check number. I am receiving payment from ABC Trading. I just going to add receive 200. I receive, I print here. Okay, it will be like this: 200 invoice I receive. If I want to check his ledger, so I'm going to add ABC Trading LLC display. You can see the ledger. Total amount was 3,780. 200 I received. The balance amount is 3,580, which he have to pay more. So everything, yani total accounts, invoicing, quotation, purchase order, everything you can make in this beautiful software. If you like this software, you can get the number in the description. You can call us anytime. We will here to help you. You can WhatsApp us directly or you can call us directly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.